15th August 1947, a day when two countries were born out of one. Delhi, the capital of India, received over 500,000 refugees who not only reconstructed their lives in a new city, but also shaped it in more ways than one. They brought with them their cooking techniques and methods and gave the city dishes and restaurants that are now synonymous to it. On India's 79th Independence Day, we revisit two culinary icons and explore their journeys in shaping the capital's food scene as it exists today.
We've been there for 85 years. It started here in the 1940. It was there before the partition and all. But it was more of a eating joint and all, that few tables and chairs and all were there. And then the Americans started coming here, and Americans are very fond of ice cream, So then they used to have fish and chips, they used to have omelette, and I think it probably went on like this for maybe 6-7 years. And then after the partition and all, you see, which was 1947, so I think that more people started, a lot of people migrated, you see, from Pakistan, you see, and they came here. You see, so the population also grew and more people were here.
The culinary journey began in Peshawar in 1920s. It was there in 1920s that he first opened his outlet called Moti Mahal in Peshawar at Gora Bazaar. In 1947, when my grandfather came here in Daryaganj, he came across this thada, like a small place which he rented it out from some Muslim that time. And there he started a humble eatery. And of course he had the vision of putting tandoor, he got the tandoor made. Moti Mahal is not only a first restaurant of India that was patronized by the Prime Ministers and who. Moti Mahal is a living institution that became the part of India's rich culinary tapestry. By innovating the style that people eat, it promoted the Indian culinary.
I think, we tend to forget that food survives the rise and fall of empires. And at times, the fall of an empire may enrich the food even more. So let's not say that the culinary culture in Delhi suffered a blow because of the partition. Actually, it was enriched. The idea of the Saja Chula, a clay oven around which the village women congregated, exchanged gossip, shared their sorrows and joys, was very much there. What is correct to say is this, that the tandoori cooking was popularized and publicized by the refugees when they came. Because most of them had lost their homes and huts, they did not have access to a kitchen, and some of them tried to earn their daily bread by setting up a tandoor, makeshift tandoor. And in another manner where it changed the eating habits of Indians was that tandoori food went out with refugees all over the country. And they replicated, So ultimately there was a Moti Mahal. Ultimately there was something, Ujjud Pindi ka khana.
Tandoor came to India through Central Asian invasions. They got the tandoor to Asia, and that's how the tandoor got popularized at that time. And when this influx of Punjabi refugees came, they brought with them so many things. Like my grandfather brought the cuisine with him. And when tandoori chicken came, that became quite a popular dish between Indian and Britishers at that time. Then what happened in those days, how the butter chicken and dal makhani came was another story, because it's a dual recipe. Butter chicken is tandoori chicken plus the butter sauce. And those days there was no refrigeration. There was less of there were hot air in the climate was hot. Kebabs by the tandoor would dry and became inedible or unservable to the client. So that's why he thought of innovating a gravy so that he could mix them and toss them and at least add less to the food wastage.
After the partition, so maybe in the early 50s, maybe the population shot up to maybe about 1.5 million and all. There were very few restaurants, in Connaught Place. So I think it was more to do with the interaction with various people and all, which really we were able to evolve a new menu and all for quality restaurant.
So I think the beauty of the Punjabi refugees and the restaurateurs was that they made roadside Indian food respectable, gave Indians a pride in that. So now you have more tikka masala in England. What changed the dining scene totally in Delhi was, in many colonies in Delhi, the tandoor was being run by a Punjabi refugee who may not have brought the physical tandoor with them, but they were used to tandoori cooking, they were fond of tandoori cooking, and tandoori cooking has certain advantages. Slow cooking, taste of home, simple food, that's it.